Hello! Hindi ko alam kung paano ako mag-i-intro sa buhok na ito. Pinabagay talaga yung intro sa buhok. Anyway, okay, I'm gonna start now. Hi guys, Rhaze here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be doing a haul for you guys. And yes, kulot yung buhok ko and naka-makeup ako. I actually filmed the Get Ready With Me video before this video, but this video will be uploaded first. I'm gonna show you guys the stuff that I got from Amazon and then eBay as well. I got a lot of requests from people that likes watching hauls na gumawa ako ng eBay haul. I did purchase quite a few from eBay. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you that. But I'm gonna start with the stuff that I got from Amazon, specifically Next Mall. That's the name of the shop. And they're selling like phone accessories from screen protectors, cases, waterproof phone cases, and car mount, lightning cables. All that you will find in there. So if you guys didn't know yet, I have the iPhone 6. So of course, all the accessories on here is for iPhone 6. But they do have accessories for other brands as well, of course. Anyway, I will go ahead and start. The first thing I got is this mobile phone ring stand right here. You guys, I do not know why I didn't get this long time ago. Because for me, it's just a freaking lifesaver. I have it on my phone right now. I chose the gold color as well to match my phone because I do have the gold. You guys know if you've been watching me that I watch videos when I'm getting ready. So I need my phone to actually be in a specific angle so I can see. Like, I can't just have it flat because how can I see the video properly? You know what I mean? So when I got the package, this is the very first one that I used. I put on my phone and it's perfect because you can actually remove this one. You can stick it to a different case if you want to change a phone case. If you do not have this yet, like what are you doing? Like literally though, buy one. I promise you it helps a lot. I love it. And then the phone case that I have right now, I also really like. Obviously, I have it on my phone. It looks like this. As you guys can see, it has the mirror effect. You can see your reflection. It's just not clear. So when you see yourself, you're yellow. You know what I mean? But you can see your reflection. So if in case you have some makeup disaster going on, you can quickly check yourself out and fix yourself. My favorite part is it has this. So it can actually protect the screen of your phone, which I like. I like that. I'm so protective of my phone. Ang mahal ng iPhone, you guys. And hindi ako makaka-afford ng bago kapag nasira siya. And I also really like the color. Perfect! These are, by the way, from the brand Torata. Yes, I got this from Next Mall, but the brand is Torata. And I'm really enjoying the brand. The phone cases are actually really good quality. And for the price, they're actually not bad at all. This one right here is hardcore looking. It looks legit. The quality is really good. It reminds me of the very first phone case that I got for my phone. Because, you know, it was brand new and I want to get a really expensive one to protect my phone. Like all that ish. It reminds me so much of that, and I actually like this one better because the sides are rubber, so it's not gonna rub off your phone, like leave scratches on the phone because it's rubber. And yes, I got it in gold, and that's the brand right there, Torata. I also like that detail right there where you can put like chains or pom-poms. My goodness. And then next phone case, this one is really simple. I like this as well because again, it has that rubber kind of feel in the inside, so it's not gonna scratch or leave marks on your phone. I like the feel of this. I can't really explain, but it's kind of like, I want to say velvety, but not really. I don't know, I'm not sure if you can see. Like, it's kind of like really smooth. I can't explain. Parang it's kind of like a smooth rubber, but it's not like rubber, it's plastic, but it feels like a smooth rubber. I'm not sure if I'm making sense right now. I really wanted to get the mint color, but I don't know why I went for the black. Maybe that day I felt like black, so I went black. They have this in different colors. All these cases actually they have in different colors, so their selection is just endless for colors for cases. Okay, last item from Torata is this lightning to USB cable. It has 3 cables in here. They have it in this short one, and then it came with 2 long cables as well. Yeah, and I have tried these already. Nilagay ko lang siya dito for the sake of the video, but I have tried these. They all work. Everything was sent to me by Next Mall, by the way, so thank you so much for those. I'm not sure what happened to the lighting, pero kailangan ko i-charge yung battery ko. Kaya medyo nagpahinga muna ako. Oh my gosh, parang mas gusto ko tong ganitong lighting ha. Parang hindi masyadong bright sa Mr. Sun. is there some nagtago dun? Nagtago dun. Anyway, onto the stuff that I got from eBay. I'm gonna start with these bad boys right here. These are obviously adapters. I got this before I came here. So, nasa Pilipinas pa ako. In-order ko na siya. Tapos, pinadeliver ko dito. This is only $1 each, you guys. Tapos, free shipping pa siya. That's what I like about eBay because they're really inexpensive. Tapos, free shipping pa siya. I'm not sure how they do with Philippines though. Kasi alam niyo naman yung Pilipinas, merong customs and ish like that. Pero in my case, it got delivered here sa bahay talaga, door to door. This was actually the very first purchase that I made on eBay ever. So, nagsimula ako sa $1 lang just in case hindi ko siya ma-receive at least. Like, hindi ako nag-spend ng that much money. You know what I mean? The only thing with eBay is the shipping. It takes really long. Not really long. And some of them takes really long. I'm actually still waiting for some items that I ordered from eBay because it's from overseas. I think these are from China or Hong Kong. I'm not sure. Pero somewhere there. So, malayo siya. I think this took a week and a half to arrive. It actually arrived before I arrived. Di ba na-delay yung flights ko? So, nag-stop ako ng Manila for 2-3 days ata yun. I forgot. But, dumating siya before pa ako dumating dito. And also, when you order sa eBay, meron silang parang time frame on when the items will be delivered to you. And so far, sa lahat ng na-order ko, they made it to the time frame na sinabi nila sa website nila. So, all good. And then, I also got a phone case from eBay because I have been really wanting to get a phone case like this for a while now. Kasi nga, gusto ko yung mirrored na look sa aking phone. So, I got this. I'm not sure how much this was. Less than $5 for sure. And when I say dollars, it's Australian dollars. I think this was only $2. It looks like that. The same as this one. Hindi siya clear. So, yung reflection mo is yellowish. Pero it does the job. Kasi nga, makikita mo naman talaga yung details ng mukha mo. It's very, very thin. So, the quality is not the best. But, again, I got this for what? $2? $3? I don't remember. I have not used this yet because, again, I have been using this one and I'm loving this one. I just don't think it will, like, protect my phone because, again, it's very thin and flimsy. That's what you get for paying less than $5. And then I also got a set of, what do you call these? Like, I'm pretty sure this one is pusher. So, it came with this 3 right here because you guys know I do my own nails. I clean my own nails. I believe this was $3.99. So, $4 for these 3. Everything that I got from eBay, lahat sila free shipping. So, I did not have to pay for shipping at all. The quality of these are actually not great. Parang hindi siya ganun ka-sharp for me. What do you call that? Habol. Yung habol sa Bisaya. Ano ba Tagalog nun? Ano ba? Basta hindi siya sharp. Ay, ewan ko. Basta yun I got from eBay. And then the last thing I got from eBay is this right here. This is for my camera. So this is a camera case. So you do it like that. I think I got this for $16. So medyo may kamahalan siya, pero worth it naman kasi maganda naman talaga yung cover niya. And free shipping din siya. And then it came with a strap as well. And yeah, that's basically it for the stuff that I got from eBay and Amazon. I will leave the links of all the Torata products that I got from Next Mall and Amazon. Links will be below. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. My camera is dying again. Hindi ko siya chinarge ng full kasi I needed to finish this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you're not yet already. If you're subscribed but for some reason hindi nyo makita yung videos ko sa newsfeed nyo, please do click the bell button below. It will notify you that, hey, Simply Rhaze just uploaded a video. And you will be part of the notification squad. Yes! Thank you pala sa lahat ng part ng notification squad. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you all actually. But yeah, I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Do not forget, be good. Bye! Anyway, onto the stuff that I got from eBay. eBay? Hi guys, Rhaze. Hello. Ano ba? Hello, hi.